Hi, please join us in conversation to learn more about triOS College.
I'm Alan Dale, and I'm from Gale Force Winds. It's a real privilege to be in conversation out here in Mississauga, Ontario. Talk with the good people at triOS College. Tell us what your name is and what program you're in.
My name is Janhvi Joshi. Currently, I am in Office Administration program, and I am pursuing third semester right now.
Wow, the Office Administration program. Tell me a little bit about that program. What's exciting about it?
Well, to be in a medical field, it was my dream. So to come here in Canada, it was a great opportunity for me to enroll myself in office administration, and currently I'm working in the same field. So it is pretty exciting that I get to meet new people every day, new patients every day, and my communication skills are very good right now.
Yeah, they are very good. There's no doubt about it. You're on a podcast talking about the program that you're on. Fantastic. Tell me about, when you were looking at coming to Canada and looking at colleges to come to. Talk to me about why you chose Canada and why you chose triOS.
Okay. To be honest, firstly, I want to pursue MBBS, the medical course, medical bachelor degree in India itself. Mm-hmm. But then I changed my mind that I should go to Canada and explore myself more. And then I was like shortlisting some colleges, and there is one of my relative here, and they recommended me Mohawk.
Okay.
Okay, so Mohawk was in the Hamilton, I think. Yeah, it is in the Hamilton one. And when I got to know that it is in the Hamilton, and I was wondering that all my relatives are here in Brampton. So I went there, and they asked me to change myself to triOS Mississauga Mohawk. And I was a little bit scared that time, but then I did some research on it, and I got to know about some sports services I will get here. One of the sports services I like here is employment specialist.
Okay.
Yeah, when I met them first, I asked them to make a good resume for me, and with that resume, I got myself enrolled in volunteering in Brampton Civic Hospital. Then I got to get a chance to give some interviews with that resume. So yeah, triOS was a very good option for me. And when I was shortlisting, triOS was the very first one.
Wow.
Yeah.
Talk to me about your instructors. Tell me about the experience.
Oh, they are fabulous.
Tell me about them.
They're fabulous. Like in the first semester, I was with Dalia Sami, and right now I'm also with Dalia Sami, and she is like a gem. I really like her a lot. She helped me to enroll myself in the volunteering, and right now she's helping me to shortlisting the universities for my further studies. And she's very sweet. She always helps me, and she always she's working herself best to give me better and better education.
Wow.
And in the second semester, it was Kareem, and I just like him a lot. His communication, his helping nature, he always helped me to shortlist the questions for an interview as well.
Wow.
Yeah.
Tell me about your classmates.
They are good. Yeah. I will not say they are very good. They are good.
Yeah.
Yeah. All classmates are like same.
Right.
And they are good. But I got to know some very good people.
That's
and
great.
Yeah, I have two very, very best friends here, and I really love them. They are very helping, and in the exam we are always together.
Oh, that's good. What does your ultimate job look like? What's your dream job?
Okay, it is a cardiologist.
Okay.
I want to be a cardiologist. For that, I know I have to study hard, and for that, I'm shortlisting the universities. And right now, I'm planning to enroll myself in registered nurse. Then I will, depending on my marks and depending on my interest. Right now, it is in the cardiologist field, but then I think it can change to the neurologist as well.
Wow.
Yeah.
I want to wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much.
There's little doubt in my mind, if that's your dream, you will achieve that. Thank you for being
Thank you so much.
on the conversation.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit trios.com.